Nginibingelela nonke Africa eseningizimu. Kulabo bathwele kanzima wanna remind you all that ubunzima ubesikhashana. And in fact ubunzima buzokwakha wena, buzokuqinisa, buzokwenza iqhawe. Buzokwenza ingqwele isihlabane champion makade bona insimbi kayigobe. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Never throughout history has a man who lived a life of ease left a name worth remembering." So njengoba uphila, you will meet failure, and disappointment. These are inevitable steps on the ladder towards where you are going. Don't take it personally. These are an opportunity to build character, to pick yourself up and find a better way. Just accept and learn. Grow, adapt, open your mind and focus again on the vision that inspires your heart. As Eric Hoffer said, it is often the failure who is a pioneer in new lands, new undertakings and new forms of expressions. Bayadanki.